Ciao, we're going to show you today also the versatility of our DeIorio's pizza kit. We're going to make half of our rectangular pizza dough sweet with a little bit of a butter spray, cinnamon, and sugar, and we're going to use the other rectangle to make a savory breadstick. So we're going to take our dough and open it. We're going to grease our cookie tray, and we're going to flip our dough right onto it. Then we're going to take our other one and we're going to do the same. We're going to take our pizza cutter and we're just going to go down the middle, one more time in between, and then one more time in between all of them. In half, and then one more time in between the half. Okay, so we're going to take our butter spray, or you can use melted butter if you'd like as well. And we're going to take a mixture of cinnamon and sugar, and we're going to gently sprinkle it on. And this I like to go a little bit heavy on because, hey, it's dessert. Why not? And then we're going to take our savory side, and we mixed a little bit of garlic and olive oil, and we're just going to drizzle that on. And then once we have on what we like, we're just going to gently spread with our back of our spoon. Once again, like all the other doughs that we dealt with, we're going to put it onto a pan. We're going to put it in a preheated oven at 425 degrees. And again, this one in particular, you're going to know it's finished when you can smell it. And one more option that you can do with your savory breadstick is after you spread your olive oil and garlic on it, you can add some of your mozzarella that comes with your pizza kit. So we're going to add a little bit, and you basically have a nice little appetizer and a dessert all on one sheet pan. Okay, as you see, we pulled out our breadsticks. Beautiful, nice little color. We let it settle a little bit. And I just want to show you how beautiful the cheese is as it comes off. Your kids will love this. It's a great little appetizer on its own. And then we also have our dessert. Cinnamon and sugar. Beautiful, you can smell it. So we're going to show you this. It just tears apart. Beautiful mozzarella. Texture is nice and light. And then, when you get done eating, you have a warm cinnamon and sugar treat. Remember, fresh is always better.